Jamaica, Wagwan, what really a going? Or someone like Usain Bolt that has given the country so much, you know what I mean? And has done so much for the country, tourism and a whole, just giving so much joy to the people. How them can fraud this money of him retirement money? And I don't hear the Minister of Finance speaking out. I don't hear the Prime Minister speaking out. I don't hear the people who we put in this power to oversee and make sure them protect Jamaicans. What are they trying to say that? We Jamaicans should not invest in our own country? You don't look good. Not looking good at all. You know what I mean? We need to step up. We need to speak up. We need to hear from the Prime Minister. We need to hear from the Minister of Finance. We need to hear from these people what they're going to do to make sure that Usain Bolt can smile. You know what I mean? He deserves that. He has given all of us so much joy. You know what I mean? And done so much for the country. This is Jamaica. Do better.